It is a beautiful morning out here in California. Today we're doing what everyone has wanted to see since we originally screwed up. We're flipping all the sheets on those walls. I can already tell you today is gonna be fun. We're not really sure how it's gonna go. We have a couple methods that we're gonna try, but that's what we're doing today. My head was spinning trying to get these nails out with a cat's paw. They're into LSL studs. They do not come out. So I took a little air hammer, carved it down like a cat's paw. Watch how good this thing works. Real quick. Put it there. Heads out. And although this really sucks, this little air hammer makes this process, I'd say, 2 or 3 times quicker by far. And then you're not swinging a hammer all day long either. Just pulling a trigger. I cut it down with a grinding wheel, and it freaking works. Let's flip this sheet. Just a nail on. Is there a nail up there? Cue ball. We've got these sheets switched. We're gonna work on getting these lower ones over here done. Today's a bit of an off day. We're fixing our screw up from day 5 or 6. It's been a little bit of a process, not gonna lie to you. We expected to lose a day though. We're getting it though. Look at that storm, it's coming in. This place is a mud hole already. It's gonna be even worse after this rain. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of talking today, but you guys already know what the plan was. We flipped and put all of these sheets the correct way. 16 sheets in total. We even finished out the center above that header. At this point, 100% of the shear panel is up, nailed off, and good to go. It's gonna be fun, guys. Hope you're ready for this. This is one big build, 32-foot span, scissor trusses everywhere. This whole section here gets funky. The long-awaited fix on our shear panel didn't cost as much as we were expecting. It cost 3 of us labor for the day, but that is nothing compared to replacing the sheets. Overall though, it's done. We're stoked. It was not fun work though, let me tell you. I tried the air hammer for a little while. I cut that down to make it look like a nail puller. It worked for a bit, but man, no matter what method we used, it was rough. So day 15 just went live on YouTube, and I got a lot of comments regarding me and Q being brothers. Just to clarify for everybody, Q and I are not related. I met him about a year or so ago and we hired him on. Good kid, love him to death, but we are not brothers. I'm gonna head on out of here, it's getting dark. I'm gonna roll down this door, head on home. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Any questions whatsoever, anything you have to ask, whether Quentin's my brother or not, whether Fox is related to Steven Tyler, or anything else, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. We just hit 40,000 and I could not be happier. Whew, this wind is coming in. I'm sure you guys saw it, but the time-lapse videos of us switching the sheets, the sky was crazy in the background. It went from nice and sunny to complete gray. Rain's coming, but I'm gonna head out of here. I'll catch you guys next time. Bang on.